Hey guys, so tonight we've got some chicken, potatoes, broccoli, onions and carrots. We've got some garlic and we've got 2 different sauces to go with the chicken. So we've got a chili jam and we've also got a caramelized onion. So let's see which one goes best, but yeah, another night cooking on the fire. We've got potatoes, chopped onions, some carrots, some broccoli, and some chicken. Let's all get it going. So carrots and potatoes, we're going to throw them in together. We're going to add some salt to help crisp the potatoes up. We're going to add a spoonful of sugar, sweeten the carrots and a little bit. We'll season a bit of the chicken and rub that in. Make sure it's well coated. The fire's not doing so well tonight. As you can see, I put a big root on it. I think it's, if I dig around, it'll be good enough for the saucepan. I've added a few little branches underneath just to give it a bit of a oomph. And hopefully that will help the process. She's going now. Nice bit of steam coming off of that saucepan. The potatoes and carrots are ready. Just need to drain them, smash the potatoes up a little bit, and they're ready to be fried. Carrots we're going to put with a little bit of honey, hopefully if I've got any, and yeah, that'll be them. And now we've got the fire kind of ready. We are frying off some onion, red onions and some garlic. And once they're ready, we'll add a little bit of chicken. Okay, so we're going to add the chicken. Start off doing the bottom end. It's been seasoned with garlic. Yeah, let's just watch that cook. So we're going to take the back of a spoon and just push down on the potatoes. Ooh. So we've added the onion and the garlic to the potatoes, just to let them soak in a little bit. And we're taking the chicken a little bit off the heat. We added the broccoli to the carrots with the hot water. I'm going to give it a cover and put cover over it and let it steam a little bit. And cooking nicely. That sky, guys. That's just beautiful with them pinks, reds. Okay, so the mushrooms are just about done. So we're going to add the sauce. Garlic bread might be a little bit gritty, but we don't mind. And the chicken is still cooking really well. But what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. and living in a tent. If you want to see me in a van and to do van life, and I plan to get a van that's not all singing and dancing, so go fund me and see that in my next chapter. But for now, we're cooking in a field while living in a tent. Okay, so I've just checked the chicken and it looks cooked, but the skin's not nice and crispy. So what we're going to do is we're going to just chuck it very quickly on the frying pan just to crisp up that chicken and make it nice and crispy. Okay guys, so I transferred the chicken into a saucepan with the garlic and the onions, a little bit more butter, with the broccoli. It is raining. I don't know if you can hear it. So before it gets too wet, I'm just going to fry that chicken off. Give the broccoli a chance to just soften a tiny bit. We can mix the pasta with the mushrooms and see how it tastes. What do you think, guys? Got pasta, a bit of chicken, some broccoli, some garlic bread. A bit charred, but hey, I quite like it like that. Okay, so we're doing sausage with onion. I'm going to do mashed potato, but I'm cheating. I'm going to do instant mash with some gravy and some onion chutney. So, part one, cook the onions and the sausages. A little oil, something, and a little bit. Tonight we're going to make some rice with vegetables, but we're cheating. A boil in the bag. So we'll let that boil up, chop some vegetables, and yeah, let's see what we can make. Okay, so we're going to chop some peppers really small to go with the rice. So the big question is, what would you do? You've got the peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms and the sauce, and we've got the rice. Do we mix it together and fry it off, or do we put the rice in the bowl and that on top. You tell me, what would you do? Leave a comment down below, and maybe next time I'll take your advice. But I think for me tonight, I'm going to mix it all together. So, rice and vegetables, a little homestay sauce. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.